Well, hey everybody, it's Brett Duncan at the Premier Designs home office, soon to be the Devoted home office. And these are your Devoted updates for the middle of July, and I've got a lot to share with you today. This is going to be one of those videos as an affiliate that you want to hold on to this one and probably watch it 2 or 3 times. I'm going to go through it, I won't say quickly, but I'm not going to overstate anything. I'm going to rely on you. If you're confused on something as we go through it, hey, save this, watch it again, and also know as we go through most of what I'm going to share with you today, we've been sharing this information with our leaders in our Rise Up group for about the last week. So if you want to reach out to your upline leader who's part of Rise Up, they might be able to answer some of your questions. We've talked a little bit more in detail about that, but hey, here's the thing. We're going to talk about these things today, and it's important to talk about these things, but let's make sure that we keep the main thing, and that is right around the corner is our Devoted debut. We are launching Devoted. It is looking so great, and I got to tell you, I'm really excited about this. We have right at 5,500 people registered for this event, which just blows my mind. The other thing about that I get really excited about is almost half of those 5,500 are gym members, which is awesome. So as you know, gym members can sign up for free. New jewelers who enrolled in 2020 can sign up for free. And for everybody else, it's only $49. So don't let up on that. Make sure your team is there. We've got a lot more gym members that could join in. We've got so many more jewelers who could join in. And this is going to be a special event. So please do what you need to be a part. If you haven't registered yourself, I really want to encourage you to do that. If there's folks on your team or that you are working alongside with, please encourage them to be a part of it. I promise you, you will not regret it. You'll be so glad that you were part of this, not just because of the excitement and the announcements, but also because it's going to set you up for success in taking your first steps as quickly as possible as a Devoted affiliate. Now, we've gotten a lot of questions on the Facebook groups that are associated with the Devoted debut. You know, we're going to be posting the videos, the on-demand content in these Facebook groups, and as you have registered, you've been receiving information and instruction on how to join the Facebook groups. And as an affiliate, we want you, it's very important for you to join both the affiliate group and the gym member group. Okay, you need to join both of those groups because you need to see and be a part of everything else that's going on. Now, for gym members, they only need to join the gym member group, and that's all they'll get access to. But just make sure that you're doing that, that when you receive that link, you request to join those groups, and be patient with us. And I'll talk about that here a little bit in a minute, but you know, it's quite a process to get everyone in there and get everyone approved. So if that hasn't happened for you yet, that is okay. If you can't find those links, if they're lost in your inbox, or I know for some people it accidentally went to their spam folder, things like that, you can still find those. They can be found on the Devoted Facebook page under groups, or if you want to email customer service, we'd be happy to resend you those links. Also know that the requests to join these groups will be accepted all the way through the month of July. These are done manually, so when you request to join a group, that doesn't put you in there automatically. We've got to just double check and make sure that you're registered, that you've gone through that, and there's actually a person and people that are doing that. So it's done manually. It will take a little bit of time to confirm some of the registrations, but it will happen. You will be accepted into the group. I promise you that. If you have registered, then we will make sure that you have access to it. And the good news is we're not doing anything in those groups right now. You're not missing out on anything, any activity that's being posted within the group. So don't worry about that. You're all good. Once you are a member of the gym member group, you can check the list of members to see if your gym members, those that you have enrolled, have joined. We don't have another way to give you that information right now, but once you join that group, you can take a look and see if you see your gym members in there. And obviously, if you see some that aren't registered, make sure you keep reaching out to them. We will send those invites out. They'll continue to go out every Friday morning from the home office. Again, you can obviously reach out and do that anytime you like. And those emails will include, to join the groups, they'll include anyone who has registered through the Thursday prior. Okay, so those emails will go out on Fridays. And for some reason, if you or one of your gym members do not have a Facebook account, please email us at Marketing Services. Let us know that. We do have an alternative way for you to be a part of the event with an unlisted YouTube link. We're only sending that link to those of you who do not have the Facebook account and are not able to use that, but we definitely want to make that available to you. So that's all you need to do there. But regardless, hey, I know this is a lot of details. We'll get you in there. For some reason you're struggling, please reach out to us for any reason. We'll make sure that you are part of those groups and you're part of the Devoted debut. We also, the last time we talked a lot about the STAR program, our affiliate recognition program. And we've gotten some great input on that and great excitement over that. I just wanted you to know in your media gallery, there is a document now that kind of gives you, it's a bit of a cheat sheet for the affiliate recognition program. And it's got even more details than what you're seeing on the screen here, but make sure you check that out. Keep that handy. The most important thing for you to get used to is this concept of personal volume, team volume, and new volume. I know it takes a little bit to understand that, especially when you're comparing it to what you've done before, but these are really simple concepts, and I can promise you the sooner that you and your team kind of come to grips with that and understand it, it's going to help you understand everything that's going on in terms of how you're rewarded in Devoted. So make sure that you check that out and keep that document handy. Print it off if you need to. In addition to that, you're also going to notice in the media gallery we've added some things for you to use that relate to our customer rewards program. The Devoted Rewards program, we have a flyer that just summarizes how it works. And it's really, really simple. There's 3 types of rewards. You're going to be hearing more and more about that. There's shopping rewards, referral rewards, and monthly bonus rewards. So this gives just a brief overview for that. It's great for you to send along to your customers, those who you would have normally thought of maybe as hostesses and things like that. You can take advantage of this flyer with them. And then we also have some social media graphics that you can use. You see just a few of them here on the right side of your screen. These are great for you to post. If you want to share this, these graphics don't share the whole story, so you'll need to do that for them. But just kind of some quick things for them to be aware of as you start sharing Devoted, and specifically any details about our Devoted Rewards program. Also on that, just some quick reminders. One of the things to keep in mind, I have to remind myself as well, is what we're calling this. This is the Devoted Rewards program. Okay, so we're not using, you won't see us, or at least we're trying not to use the term points or loyalty program. Now, if you end up using it, it's not like you're in trouble or anything like that. I'm just telling you, we will call it the Devoted Rewards program. And when customers earn things as part of this program, they are earning rewards. They are receiving, for example, $10 in rewards. Okay, so you'll hear us talk about it that way. We won't talk about it. It's much more than just a loyalty program, so that's not fair to call it that. And then we're really more likening it to almost cash back. So it's not points. It's actually they're getting Devoted Rewards back. The other thing that's really important from just logically thinking through this, our rewards are for customers, not affiliates. Okay, and I think this is really important on a few different levels. One, make sure as you're thinking through Devoted Rewards, hey, are you a customer? Then you get rewards. If you're an affiliate, you don't get rewards. You get other perks, but you don't get rewards as part of this program. The other thing here is if someone is interested primarily or only in getting product discounts, if they're interested in saving on their own personal product purchases, they need to be a customer. Okay, if someone becomes an affiliate, we have to, their primary reason for doing that needs to be that they are interested in earning income by sharing Devoted. Doesn't mean they don't love the product, doesn't mean that they aren't interested in getting that affiliate cost on products, but if that's all they're interested in, it's better for you, it's better for the company, it's actually better for them to remain a customer, because all of our perks that are related to saving on product purchases, we're putting that into our customer programs. Okay, what we don't want is for people to choose to become an affiliate because they want all of those perks that are related to discounts. Okay, we want to make sure that we keep those things very, very clear. So just know that. Okay, and as you think through that, knowing that rewards are only for customers, you're certainly going to have customers who want to become an affiliate. And that is great. We want to see that happen. But the main thing to keep in mind there is, as soon as they become an affiliate, again, because rewards are for customers, they're not for affiliates, then customers will lose any rewards that they might have kind of banked up. Okay, so if they're really interested in using up those rewards, make sure they do that before they become an affiliate. Or they might decide, you know what, I'm ready to become an affiliate. I don't want to waste any time. I'm okay giving up a few rewards, and let's just move forward. That's totally up to them. But I want to make sure that you understand that. So if a customer becomes an affiliate, affiliates can't have rewards, and therefore their rewards would go away. All right. Okay, let's dig into some of the kind of operational details of how Devoted's going to work. Many of you have been asking questions about this, and let's talk first about payment processing. And specifically using ProPay. Many of you know, you're familiar with this, but payment processing, that's a big deal in business these days because so many purchases take place online, so many purchases take place with a credit card, and you may or may not know this, but there are fees associated with that. Those credit cards, they charge you a fee for doing that, and it's a real cost, and so it's something that we certainly have to take account for. And so we've come up with some really great ways to help you and to limit the burden of that cost for you. And I want to walk through that right now, but most of you are familiar with ProPay. Moving forward, we'll still have ProPay. I would suggest you will still want ProPay, but the biggest reason for having ProPay moving forward is to receive your retail commissions in a timely manner. Now, let me just kind of a side note here real quickly. I've seen some people get confused when I use that term retail commissions. This is the same as what you've been used to with profits. Okay, so you've earned 50% on your Premier Designs jewelry. But the reason I'm calling it retail commissions is because we will be paying you that commission now. It won't be that you're receiving the payment and then paying us the wholesale amount. We will actually be paying you that commission now. So you'll hear us refer to that as retail commissions, but just so there's no confusion there. But back to ProPay, the main reason for having ProPay is to receive your retail commissions in a timely manner. Now, what does that mean, you might be asking? Well, here's something to keep in mind. Order submission by your customers is going to work just a little bit differently in terms of your role in that and what you will have to do, or even more importantly, what you will no longer have to do. It'll be great for you. But customers will now be able to order directly on your personal website, just like they've done before. But that order, once they click checkout and submit their order, whereas in the past it was essentially queued up in your back office for you to get submitted and all of those things, that won't need to happen anymore. The minute your customer clicks checkout and they submit their order, right away we will process that order here at the home office. It will be submitted, and it'll be sent right to our warehouse, and we'll be getting it ready to ship out as quickly as we possibly can. So this is great news, okay? Because now, as I was saying, what you've called your profit before, it will now be paid as a retail commission. And if you are with ProPay, if you're signed up with ProPay, you will be able to receive it within 2 days of that order being placed. You might hear this referred to every once in a while as split pay. And split pay is a special program that ProPay has in place that allows for this to happen. If that wasn't in place, if you didn't use ProPay, the way this would work is the Devoted Home Office would receive all of that money, and that would have one processing fee on it, and then we'd have to turn around and pay you your 25% or your 50% or whatever that is. We'd pay you that, and that would be another processing fee, and it would take more time. So this is a really great program that ProPay will have available for its subscribers. So if you want to receive your retail commission within those 2 days, then make sure you have signed up for ProPay. And I will say this, the 2 days, that has nothing to do with ProPay. It has nothing to do with Devoted. That is simply how long payment processors take to pay money. For years, that's what we at the home office, we have to wait that long when credit cards are used. Okay, so that's not unheard of, that's not uncommon, and it's not specific to us. That's just how that works. Okay, so you'll get that within 2 days. Sometimes it might hit sooner, but definitely on average, or it's within 2 days. The annual fee for ProPay is still $39.95, and all the perks and everything, you'll see those listed, but those are still available to you. And if an affiliate does not subscribe to ProPay, that doesn't mean that they don't get their retail commissions. They will simply receive their retail commissions once a month with their team commissions. Okay, so again, a perk of subscribing to ProPay is that you will get your retail commissions on an order within 2 days. Otherwise, if you don't have that in place, and it's fine if you don't, for some people once a month they'll be fine with that. But if you don't have ProPay, then we will simply include your retail commissions with your team commissions payment that we send out once a month. Okay. The other thing to keep in mind is even if you don't have ProPay, if someone doesn't have ProPay, you don't have ProPay as an affiliate. That doesn't mean that orders can't be placed on your website. Customers can order on your website whether you subscribe to ProPay or not. Okay, that's an important distinction. Also, we'll go into more details about this in another message that we'll send to you, but you will still have the abilities to submit orders through your back office as Devoted launches. It'll work much like individual orders work today. Some of you might be interested in using that because maybe some of your customers aren't comfortable submitting orders on their own, or some of you might want to apply some discounts or things like that to your orders. That's going to be the best way to do that. And so that's still there, but I think most of you are going to just love the fact that your customers can go straight to your website, submit and place their orders, and you don't have to collect money, you don't have to submit orders, you don't have to do any of that stuff yourself. It's just done. All right, so that's great. Now then, let's talk about payment processing fees, right? Because those will still be there. And so 2.9%, that'll be the payment processing fee, but 2.9% of the order total will be debited from your retail commissions to account for the payment processing fees. What does that mean? Well, let's say your customer placed a $100 order and it was all Premier Designs jewelry. The retail commissions you would receive on that would be $47.10. You're like, well, Brett, how did you get to that? You would make $50 in your retail commission on a $100 order if it was all Premier Designs jewelry. And then the processing fee on a $100 order, 2.9%, is $2.90. So that's how you get $50 minus $2.90, you get to $47.10. Okay. That fee is deducted whether you have ProPay or not. Okay. So that doesn't matter in that instance. But here's the thing. You're going to love this part. We are introducing a payment processing fees match program. How does that work? Well, the Devoted Home Office will match your payment processing expenses by adding discounts to your affiliate account each month equal to whatever you paid in processing fees. So let's take a look at what that would look like. So in the example I just gave, you paid $2.90. That was debited out of your retail commissions on that $100 order. So at the end of the month, Devoted will put $2.90 in discounts on your account, and you can use that on future personal orders. That's pretty cool. Every order that you get, every order that gets processed, you're going to get like this little reward that you can use there. Okay, so that's awesome. Let's think about this for a lot of you, how this will actually look. Let's say in 1 month, let's say in the month of January, you received 10 $100 orders. Okay, so in that case, you just multiply everything from example 1 by 10. That means you were debited a total of $29 in processing fees. The good news is Devoted is going to put a $29 discount on your account February 10th. Okay, so whatever happens in January, that's great. Month is over, and then as you know, we kind of close out our month. It takes a few days to do that, and then we send out retail commissions and all that stuff on the 10th. We will do the same with the processing fee match, and so that will occur. So that's awesome. All right, the discounts from this program, the only catch, you have to use them within 60 days. Okay, so if you received those discounts on February the 10th, you just need to make sure that you use them on an order by April the 10th. But how awesome is that? You're going to get these discounts. They're going to be sitting there for you. And if you're active, if you're getting orders every month, that means you're going to be getting discounts back every month. So really, really cool. And very, very excited about that program. I hope you are too. The other thing to keep in mind, this is not directly related, but kind of related, is remember, we no longer have group orders and things like that. We no longer have a hostess program as you knew it before, and so there's no longer a jeweler share. So that's going to be great for you in terms of what is debited out of your orders. All right, great. Okay, like I said, you might have questions. You want to go back and look at that, and then be looking online in the near future. We'll be posting more and more FAQs, answers to all of the questions you're asking. as it has to do with payment processing. Also, remember, reach out to someone in the Rise Up group. We've had discussions with our Rise Up leaders on several different levels and in lots of different details with payment processing and ProPay and how that'll work. Now let's talk shipping. Now, we all know shipping's important. If we knew it before, and then in the middle of all the quarantining, we've certainly learned that. I don't know about you, but I think I get 2 or 3 packages delivered to my house every single day, it seems. And I don't even think that's an exaggeration. That's just what we do now. So shipping is obviously very important. Here's the funny thing about that. Shipping is still very expensive. Regardless of what other companies and websites, even what we charge you, just know that the carriers, your FedExes and UPSs and mail services and things like that of the world, their fees have not gone down. If anything, they have gone up over the last couple of years. And so that's a real expense. And so anyway, I bring that up to say a few things. One, we've got to keep in mind that with Devoted, we're offering way more than jewelry now. Okay, and a lot of our products will certainly be larger than jewelry. Some of it will be heavier than jewelry, and that all impacts what is charged, what we at the Devoted Home Office get charged for shipping. So just know that those costs have gone up. And so we've got to account for that. So with that being said, we've come up with, I think what you're going to see is a very reasonable program, and we've got some cool kind of promotional aspects to this that I'm going to share with you as well. But let's just cut to the chase. So standard shipping moving forward with Devoted on a package will be $9.95. Okay, that will be our standard shipping you're used to. That's how that will work. We are introducing a new option called Express Ground, and this will be using FedEx Ground. So it's for some of you, I know, based on maybe where you live or different things like that, you don't love some of the service sometimes or the time that it takes sometimes for that standard shipping. So if you want to use the Express Ground option, we have that available there for $13.95. And then we have our 2-day shipping will be $19.95, and our overnight shipping will be $29.95. Okay, so those are our standard shipping rates. Now, let's talk about something new, something you haven't heard about yet, and that is our Rewards Plus program. Well, you know about Devoted Rewards, but we have a Rewards Plus program. Okay, this is for customers only. Remember, rewards are for customers only, so Rewards Plus are for customers only. And for $34 a year, if a customer pays $34 for a full year, they can get free standard shipping on any order they place of $75 or more. All right, free standard shipping on any order $75 or more. And when they pay that $34, when they become a Rewards Plus member, we will also put $10 in Devoted Rewards onto their account. So they'll get that $10 right away, and they can use that toward a future order anytime they want to. So that's an amazing deal. They get free shipping on those orders, $75 plus. No commissions, no volume, no rewards are given for that $34 fee. It's just a flat $34 fee. And also know that rewards, a customer has Devoted Rewards. They can't use rewards to purchase the $34 fee. Okay, so just be aware of that. But this is a really exciting program. I think a lot of your customers are going to take advantage of this. It's a great deal. And remember, they get that $10 in rewards added to their account. So they're already kind of getting cash back right away just for that order. So really, really powerful. It's going to be great for you to offer that, especially to your customers who order often. And I got to tell you, with Devoted, with all these different products we're going to have, I think you're going to have more and more people ordering more and more often. And that's the other thing to keep in mind here as we start thinking about shipping and things like that. We're so used to jewelry. That's what we've done for 35 years. And while there are some people who will buy jewelry on a monthly or quarterly basis, for most people buying jewelry, that's something that might occur once or twice a year. And that's great. That's awesome. But we're going to have some products in our Devoted marketplace that are much more consumable. And so keep that in mind. You're going to have people who, hey, I like this product and I want more of it, and I run out of it and I want to order it on a monthly basis or on an ongoing basis, a quarterly basis, whatever. So just remember, you're going to get a lot more orders and a lot more orders sent out to people. And so this is going to be a great program for people as they put that in place. The other thing you might be thinking about, oh, by the way, let me just underscore this. This is an introductory program. What I mean is we're launching with this program. This is definitely how it will work through 2020. I only bring that up because the state of shipping overall and all the different costs that are involved for us change on a regular basis. So I just bring it up to say, hey, our goal is to continue with this and for it to be extremely successful. But this is definitely what we'll offer through 2020 and hopefully beyond. All right. Now then, let's talk about what shipping looks like for you as an affiliate. Okay. Here's the thing. Because of all those costs and everything that I just mentioned to you, I know you're used to, as an affiliate, receiving free shipping on orders of $30 or more, which is a great deal. It's an amazing deal. And I will just tell you straight up, that is the fees. It's not like our fees get waived for those orders. And so that is a cost to the company. It's a cost to the company that unfortunately we can't bear at that level any longer. It's simply just not sustainable. And we all know how important that is to keep things sustainable so that we all have a business that we can take advantage of. So I just want to tell you, hey, we're not going to be able to have free shipping on orders of $30 or more moving forward. We will, however, for affiliates, you will be able to receive free shipping on orders of $100 or more, and that's free standard shipping. And for most of you, we've looked at the data. Reaching $100 on your average order size for a personal order, that is no problem for you. So that it's almost a non-factor for you. For some of you, it's you're like, I don't always get to $100, but I think, looking ahead, you're going to have a lot more to choose from, I think, and use personally on a regular basis with these products. So anyway, that's how that will work. If an affiliate order is less than $100, then you'll simply just pay the posted shipping rates that I shared with you just a few minutes ago. So that's how that will work for affiliate shipping. Okay, let's move into refunds and exchanges. Okay, we've got a lot more than just jewelry now, and therefore our return policy needs to be a little bit differently. So let's kind of work through this step by step. Premier Designs jewelry. Let's start with what we know. Premier Designs jewelry that is purchased before July 31st will still fall under the parameters of the Golden Guarantee. Okay, so people buying, if someone, as I'm recording this, it's July 16th, someone bought Premier Designs jewelry today, well, the Golden Guarantee is in place, and so that jewelry that they bought today falls under that, okay? And we will continue to have the current online exchange system available to you as an affiliate for Premier Designs jewelry items purchased prior to July 31st, okay? So that will be there. You won't want to use that form for anything purchased on July 31st or after, but you can continue to use that the way you've been using that on anything, any jewelry purchased prior to July 31st, okay? Now, overall, any product purchased via the Devoted Marketplace on or after July 31st can be returned for a refund or exchanged for a credit within 30 days of original purchase. That's obviously a little different from the Golden Guarantee, but again, we can't just apply the Golden Guarantee to all of these different products. The Golden Guarantee is very specific to jewelry, and so we have to shift this. This is something we have to do, and so this is a great return policy, great refund and exchange policy. And so let me just break this down a little bit more. If a customer wants to return, or an affiliate wants to return a product for a refund or for a devoted credit, and that would be like for an exchange, all they need to do, if you're an affiliate or a customer, you need to log into your profile and initiate that return process. We'll have a mechanism for someone to do that there, okay? Just initiate that return process and print a returns document, and just make sure that you drop that in the box that you're going to ship back, because when we get that document here in customer service, that'll tell us everything we need to know about it and make it a very, very simple and straightforward process. Okay? Now then, items that are returned for a refund or for a devoted credit must be returned to the home office at the affiliate or the customer's expense. Okay, so that whatever that cost to get it here, you'll need to pay that. If all the items of an order that you placed are returned for a refund or credit, then the shipping fees for that order will also be refunded or credited. Okay, so in other words, if you had 4 items in an order and you returned all 4 of those for a refund, then we would obviously refund that for you, okay, on the shipping of that order. However, if only some of the items on an order, let's say one item from an order of 4 total items are returned for a refund or credit. Then the shipping fees aren't refunded or credited because you still would have paid the shipping fee for the other 3 items that you've kept, right? So that just makes sense. So that's how that will work. But the good news here with this is that use an affiliate and your customers can go and do this yourself. As an affiliate, this isn't something you have to handle for them anymore. They can work directly with us here at the home office. If you want to help them, you certainly can. I know some of you prefer to do that and give that personal touch and that personal service, and we love that, and that is great. You can continue to help them through that, but no, they can handle that themselves. They will initiate this process themselves. You can help them with that, but it's available directly to them. All right, so I hope that makes sense for you. Now then, if we get something and it's determined that, hey, you're returning this because we messed up, we sent you the wrong item, or we sent you something that was broken or defective or whatever, obviously in that situation we will take care of the shipping on that order. We'll apply standard shipping reimbursement. If you're asking it for a credit, $10 in devoted rewards, we'll do that. Okay, so we'll make sure that we do that. And the thing to keep in mind here too is if you want to refund, if you want something refunded, then obviously you're saying, hey, I want my money back, I don't want product. If you're asking for an exchange, what we would normally call an exchange, what we're really going to do is just give you a credit. We're going to put whatever that amount is, we're going to put that on your account in devoted rewards and then say, okay, now go shop and get whatever it is you wanted. If you want just whatever that is, but a different color or a different size, whatever it is, great, go do that. Or you might decide, you know what, I don't want that thing at all. I want this other thing over here. Whatever it is, you can do that. It's going to be really, really simple for someone to do that. We'll do that either if you're a customer, you'll get devoted rewards, and if you're an affiliate, we'll apply affiliate discounts to your account. Okay? All right. Now let's talk about this kind of an accounting term called clawbacks, but really all that means is, hey, if someone asks for a refund on something and yet you've already paid commissions on that item, or you've already awarded devoted rewards on it, what happens? And that is what's called a clawback. And what will happen in that is if we have paid commissions on an item that then gets refunded, well, if we're giving all of the money back, and obviously part of that money that was received before was given maybe to you for the profit or to your upline or whatever, well, we'll need to get that back, right? And so the way that we go about that is we will simply debit that. You'll have a debit on your account in terms of commissions, and so that will be taken out of future commissions. We're not going to sit there and say, hey, you send us a check for this or whatever. We're just going to have it on your account and it'll just be taken out of whatever future commissions you have. That's only on refunds. Now, if they are asking for an exchange, if they are wanting credits, that won't happen, right? Because we're just giving those credits back, so you don't need to do that. So as an affiliate, if you have customers if they receive something like, oh, I think I want something different or whatever, it's certainly in your best interest, and probably theirs too in a lot of situations, to encourage them, say, well, hey, what else would you like? Could you get a credit? Because if you do that, you don't have to worry about the clawbacks. They also, for customers, if they receive rewards based off of something that they're returning, if it's refunded, then we'll have to take those awards away. We'll have to remove those from their account. But if they are just returning it for a credit, then we won't touch the rewards. So anyway, that's how that will work. But just so you're aware of how that happens. All right, we're almost done here. FYI, our welcome box, at least as you have known it, for Premier Designs Jewelers, that will be discontinued and won't be going out starting on July 17th. So anyone who joins as a jeweler right now or an affiliate, both now through the end of the month and then into August, when we do have our updated welcome box in place, we will make sure that those people get that and everything that comes with that. And I will give you a heads up, we won't have the updated welcome box in place on August the 1st. As you can probably imagine, we've had a lot of moving parts getting everything ready for our launch, and some of the components for the welcome box just won't be ready on August 1st. We'll get them ready as soon as we can in August and make sure that you know about that. But anyway, we will have welcome emails and things like that will help someone as they get going. But hey, that's part of being a pioneer here, right? And being one of the first is doing that. But anyway, so we'll handle that. And then also some news I wanted to pass on to you are our national rally dates. for 2021. For 2021, I told you maybe a month or two ago, kind of a save the date, and I said this is tentative. These dates that we're looking at, and we were looking at moving our national rally to the beginning of the year. And without going into a lot of details, those dates that I said, hey, this is tentative, just kind of pencil it in. Well, the dates are going to be a little bit different. They're going to be different by about a couple weeks because as we've gone through, and you can imagine what all of these convention centers and hotels and everything are dealing with, they are dealing with a lot of changes right now, and so we're kind of rolling with that. But long story short, the best time for us to get both the convention center and the hotel right there attached to the convention center is February 12th through the 14th. Okay, so February 12th through the 14th, 2021. Again, assuming that we are able to travel and gather by that time, we will have our national rally in Frisco, Texas, and we can't wait for that to happen. It's going to be amazing. So we'll do that, and that's how we'll have our national rally in 2021. We'll make sure to kick off 2021 in January in all kinds of exciting ways as we lead up to this national rally, but we're excited about that. So this is fine. All those documents have been signed, and so that's what we've got right now. So wanted to make sure that you knew that. Now then, we've got even more to share with you, and so you can be looking even next week for another Devoted update as we prepare for our launch. Some more details to share with you, but remember, go back through this. You can watch it again. If you've got questions, please reach out to marketing services. We'll be glad to help you with that, and I just appreciate everything that each and every one of you are doing, and I promise you this is an adventure that we're right in the middle of, and you're going to be so glad that you're part of it. It doesn't mean everything's going to go smoothly and perfectly or anything like that, but it is going to be worth it, and it is going to make such an impact in your life. I'm confident of that, and in the life of so many people that so many people you don't know all around the world. Thanks for all that you do. Thanks for everything that you're doing for Devoted. We'll talk soon. Bye.